Hello guys. So in this short video, I'll show you, for those of you who have the thinkorswim platform, how are you going to place the trades in the paper trading account if you wish to place it there. Now I encourage you to place it there so you get the feeling of how things work. So you will actually click paper money. So don't be careful, don't put live trading, put paper money, and then you put in your password, and then you can log in. Right now, once you log in, it actually opens up the trading terminal for you. Okay, so this is my paper trading account, and let's say you want to buy something. What you have purchased is shown in monitor tab. So this is what I have purchased. This is the profit and loss since the day I bought it, and this is the profit and loss today. All right. So let's say I go to trade tab. So you'll go to trade tab when you want to buy something. So let's say I ask you to buy Facebook options or Microsoft options. So you will type here MSFT, the ticker, and press enter, and that will load Microsoft options here. Now once it loads these options, if I tell you to, let's say, buy 23rd of August, so you will click here 23rd of August. So these are 23rd of August options. It only shows you 14 options, right? You can click here to see all again, right? But we don't need that right now. So let's say I ask you to buy Microsoft 23rd August 131 strike price option at 405. So this is a bid price. So you will right click here, click buy, and choose single. So once you do that, it actually shows you that you are buying 10 contracts of Microsoft 131 call at 420. So you don't want 10 contracts, so you will change this to 1, and now you will say confirm and send. So once you say confirm and send, then this is where it shows you one contract of Microsoft 23rd August 131 call at 420 is your limit. So that means you are saying that if it is above 420, I don't want to buy, right? Now here it shows you that the cost of your trade will be $420, and the including commission will be 421, right? So do not worry if your commission shown here is different than mine. All right. So once you click send, then it will now send this order to purchase. You show a buy here, you go to monitor tab, and your order is pending here. So this is called working, right? Now once this order is filled, it will show in the filled category here, in order filled, right? And it will show here. So right now you see he shows Microsoft, but it is zero quantity. So this zero quantity will become 1 because you are buying one contract. All right. Now paper trading is slow. It's a delayed platform. So you can see a delayed data. So the data itself is delayed by 15-20 minutes, and the platform is slow, and the real platform is fast, right? So this is how you buy. Now once you have bought something, for example, I've already bought Intel. If I want to close this trade, right? So I have 10 contracts of Intel purchased at 195, which is a put. So right now the price is 2.2, so I am in a loss, right? So you can see profit and loss for day is profit, but here shows loss. That means since the day I bought this, I'm still in loss of 255. That means I had a higher loss. As of today, the price recovered by $500, right? So before today, I was 500 plus 250, 755 loss. Today, the price recovered, so I'm still technically in a loss. Only when it shows profit here in P&L open, that means you are in profit. All right. So how to close this? You right click, create closing order, close, and now you say confirm and send. So this will actually send the closing order, right? The one small thing, if you do not want, you can delete it. Now one small thing I want to share with you is, in the trade, if you are buying this, for example, you say buy, you say single, and you will notice here when you are live that the price is changing, right? So you don't say limit, you can just say market order. When you say market, he will actually buy at the ask price, which is slightly higher, but the order will get filled quicker in your paper trading account, right? So say market and confirm and send, right? And don't forget to note this in the Excel sheet so that you know what we bought and what price we sold and stuff like this. And then when we sell it, you will see that the price that I am mentioning is there here, right? Or on the Nasdaq website. So hope that explains to you how to buy and sell in the platform. Okay.